Welcome back to another episode of Yankee Liv'n. Brad here. I've got to pick up a couple, 3 hens this afternoon. Well, actually early this evening. And, yeah? You want to chime in and tell the story or not? Anyways, I got to get an area ready for them. And, it's involving digging out this dog crate. I want to put them in that, give them some food and water and whatnot, keep them in the corner of the barn, and we'll take it from there. So anyways, I gotta dig this thing out. Well, you guys can come on over here and give me a hand, you know. These big dog crates come in handy. I've got this one here. I also got another one over here. And I put them to use pretty much every year. Let's get over to the barn and before I get all winded here. There. Let's get this in here. Package this up tail end of last year. Last time I used it. Pretty good if I don't say so myself. Now, get this turned over once. Alright. Let's see if we can remember how this goes. Get this other one up. Pop that out. Lock that one in. Lock that one in. Yeah. Left to do is put this perch in here. That is gonna go in there. Right in there. There. Got a perch. Got a home. And we will put this on top. And that should do it, other than putting a water dish and a feeder. But hey, we got that all set up. It's late afternoon. I don't have to show up over there until after dark. Alright, these are the newest members of the flock. I've got a black sex link in there, a barred rock that's up on the perch, and the light colored one here is a cochin. And got the feathers all over the feet and whatnot. I'll try to pan you down there so you can see that. Right there. See the feathers on there? Well, they're going to be in here for a few days. Maybe 2, maybe 3 days. And we will start to integrate them in the flock. And I'm going to leave them be right now. They've only been in here a day now. So, we'll catch you guys a little bit later. Well, that'll do it for another episode here at Yankee Liv'n. And I'd like to take the time to thank each and every one of you for all your support to my channel. All the watch time, all the comments are very, very much appreciated. So until next time, wherever you are in your neck of the woods,
be it morning, noon, or night. I hope you're all having a great one. Be good to one another. God bless, and take care.